I installed and set up all 5 VPNs on my PC while taking notes on my experience as a first-time user. Of course, this is just my opinion, so your own setup experience may be a little different. Overall, each VPN had a very smooth flow, from picking a plan on the website, to installing it on my computer, to being guided through the app for the very first time before connecting to a server. However, my least favorite experience was with CyberGhost. Their website felt cluttered with constant pop-ups that made choosing a plan feel a bit overwhelming. But once I got past all of that, the app itself was very clean and simple to use. It opens in the bottom right corner of your screen, but you can expand it to the center by clicking on the arrow. On the left are your settings and server options, including dedicated servers for gaming, torrenting, and streaming, which I really like. In the middle are your favorited servers for quick access, and on the right side is the main connection button, which auto-connects you to the fastest server. So aside from the website, the app itself feels very easy to use. The next VPN I tried out was ProtonVPN. Their website is clean and simple to navigate, and after I chose a plan, installation was super quick. When you open the app for the first time, it auto-connects you to the fastest server, so you're instantly protected. And the interface is straightforward. On the left, you'll see your recent servers, countries, and the option to create profiles for things like streaming or gaming. You can also move around the map and pick servers directly, which feels very intuitive. On the right are additional settings, and overall the layout is very beginner-friendly and easy to use. After that, I checked out ExpressVPN. Choosing a plan on their website was straightforward, and what stood out to me was their activation code system. Instead of having to log in on every device that you own, you just enter your code on all the devices that you want protected to get set up quickly. After installing the desktop app and entering my code, I was ready to go. Upon opening the desktop application, the interface is as simple as it gets. You have a big power button in your current server location. Click on the servers to bring up the full list, and in the top left you'll find your settings, and that's it. Overall, this was the most beginner-friendly experience, and it's perfect if you just want a VPN without any clutter. Then I tried out NordVPN. The website was easy to navigate, and picking a plan was simple. After installing and launching the app, the first thing I noticed was how much more is on the screen compared to ExpressVPN's minimal dashboard. But that's not a bad thing. It feels like a mature VPN with a ton of features built in. On the main dashboard, you can click Quick Connect to connect to the fastest server. Below that, you'll see your recent connections, and you can search for a country. On the left, you'll see a list of different tabs. If you click on the globe icon, you'll find an interactive map that allows you to move around and see all of the servers that are available. The other tabs on the left contain some miscellaneous features. Then in the bottom left, you'll find your main settings. While it's not quite as beginner-friendly as some of the others, NordVPN gives you everything you'd ever need in a VPN in one well-organized package. The last VPN I tested was Surfshark. The website was simple to navigate, and installation was super quick. When you first open the app, it walks you through a short tutorial that shows where everything is on the dashboard, which is something that I really enjoyed. On the right, you've got your connection button and status, while the left side has your server list, tabs for extra features, and settings at the bottom. It's clear, intuitive, and easy to pick up right away. So for ease of use, Surfshark was my personal favorite. The tutorial made it simple to get started, and it struck the best balance between being beginner-friendly and still offering plenty of features. But if you want a VPN that's packed with all the features that you'll ever need, NordVPN is a great choice, even if the interface feels a little busier. And if you just want the cleanest, most straightforward layout possible, ExpressVPN is the way to go. This was just my experience with the desktop version of these VPNs, and I'm sure the experience will be slightly different if you're connecting other devices, like your gaming consoles, smartphone, or your TV.